I'm Marie Fraser, and I am an owner of Osceola Oyster Company.
My name is Paul, and I am an owner of Osceola Oyster Company.
I met Paul at FSU. We would always go down to Apalachicola, share oysters together. So when we heard about oyster farming, we were really excited to learn more about it.
We were motivated to start our own company because we wanted to give back environmentally, and then we can also make money doing it. So it's a very fun, positive hobby that also can be work.
We're all doing what we can to reestablish wild oysters, to sustainability, to filtering water in our area.
While we're out there farming oysters, everything that we do sustains their ability to regrow and start reestablishing their areas.
This was like a shared thing that we loved together, and I feel like the outdoors and kind of doing hard work and being outside is something that we've always shared a love for, and we decided to start the company together.